Making a fishing crease to bonk some fish on the head. I actually went fishing today. Haven't been fishing in so long. Took my wife, we went fishing, and it was fun. We didn't catch anything. It was late in the afternoon by the time we got set up and dropped a couple lines in. I do have a disclaimer. This is nothing that I would ever do. I'm not a fan of bunking fish on the head. I'm more of a catch and release, or actually sometimes I don't even bait the hook. I'm more of a guy that likes to take a nap. Today we went fishing and I put bells on the poles and faced the sun. So I had my back to the fishing poles. Probably if I'd have caught something, I would have lost it anyway. This is Good Friday, almost into Saturday, and then of course Easter Sunday. I was blown away. I saw somebody talk about how when Jesus was on the cross and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? And I didn't realize that he was completing prophecy from Psalm 22, where when David wrote the Psalms, he wrote, my God, why have you forsaken me? And it talks about how they cast lots for his clothes and beat him and scorned him and made fun of him. And all of that happened in the crucifixion. And it blows me away that it was all foretold in Psalm 22. And the people doing it, they would have known the scriptures, the Pharisees and all that. They would have known that. And as soon as he said that, it would have solidified, and they probably would have been like, oh my goodness, we just did that. Like, I can't believe we did that. I'm going to set it down. It's going to cause a lot of smoke. So it's going to burn into both, but that's what we're going to do. Okay. That would do some damage to a fish for dinner.